Welcome back to Freezing Automotive. Today's another weekend. I got more time to work on the RSX. It's gonna rain all day today, a lot of thunder and lightning, so I can't be out doing yard work. So for the most part, there's nothing really for me to do. So I may as well get some stuff done on the car today. I'm gonna pull off the wing, get that ready to go in for paint. My brother says he's gonna do that. I'm gonna see if I get some side skirts to fit a little bit better. I'm gonna see if I can make or manufacture something to hold the rear bumper on a little bit better because it is coming off. And I am going to take a look at what those codes are and see why we are limited to what we are, and then maybe get some parts figured out for that. So a lot of stuff to do. We'll see how much we can get done. I'm trying to keep everything short, fast, and sweet for neurodivergent people like me. They can't sit still and watch a video, can sit still and watch all 5 minutes and a lot gets done. So here we go. Apparently a snap-on scanner can't identify a hondata. An auto go through it. That's really funny. Oh well, we'll manually enter it and we'll see what comes up here. So that's really cool. There's no codes present. It also flags it though as a Acura 2-liter. I mean, that's what this was. This is now a 2.4 liter, but that's okay. Oh well. Just had to be running, but there we go. Crank sensor 1, circuit malfunction. I've had to fix this before in the past, so we'll take a quick, brief look at that, make sure the pigtail's still okay. We might have to do something with that. I'll figure it out. Well, that's why it's not working. Let me quickly fix that. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Look how dark it is out there. That's some crazy rain and lightning we're getting. 7:30 in the morning. It shouldn't be that dark. I tried sealing it up right there. I tried to seal it up as best I could so that doesn't happen again. Not a lot of room to work in there, so we'll see if that holds. So I just started the car up. Check engine light's now off. So that's check engine light's dealt with. There's something really cool I want to show you guys here. Ooh, it's dark, but let me grab it. I have a steering wheel cover. So I do have an aftermarket steering wheel right there. I've seen enough horror stories. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to use the factory wheel. I have a steering wheel cover. This is going to take me hours to put on, so it's something I'm just going to work on in between episodes. You don't want to watch me sit there and stitch for God knows how long. That doesn't seem like a good idea, but that is something I am going to work on, so that's something else we can do as well. Sorry it's dark in here. It was actually pretty easy. There's 2 clips that go here. One other one here. 2 T30 screws. And the airbag comes out. There's your screw to remove the steering wheel. I didn't film that because I thought that'd be much worse. I work on Fords and Ford ones are terrible. This wasn't actually that bad. Before you remove that airbag, this is very important. Have your battery disconnected. I don't have mine disconnected because I have a universal battery disconnect right here. As long as this key is turned off, there is no power going through this. Do not pull an airbag with the power still attached. You'll run the risk of it going off and hitting you in the face. And trust me, you don't want that. So if you're anything like me, and if you're watching this channel, you probably are, and you realize you forgot your steering wheel puller at home, or not at home, at work, sorry, I'm at home now, but at work, and you want to get the steering wheel off because your mind's on that topic now, Ford Bronco tow hook actually has 2 spots for the bolts fit for the hole, and then you can just put a bolt in the middle and a nut on the back side, shove a wrench in there, and then use this to pull it. So I'm going to quickly do that, but it kind of requires 2 hands. Yeah, so if you don't have a steering wheel puller, but you happen to have a Ford Bronco tow hook, 2 10mm nuts, and something that you can use a ramming screw with a nut on the back, you totally can pull a steering wheel off of a Honda. Fun fact. Okay, I'm an hour into the stitching this. I've done one section, so this will probably take me 4 hours to do, but I like how it feels and it looks good once you got it on there, so that's good. I'm not going to bore you with the whole stitching process. But you can take your needle, then you go under one of these threads, pull it tight, and you go to the other side, and then back and forth, and back and forth, and back and forth, and back and forth. And you pretty much do that till you're done, and you do your best to like tuck this and line it up, and you hope it looks good. But man, this is taking forever. I'm pretty sure I can pull a motor faster than I can stitch a steering wheel. Anyways, ta-da! I'll put the airbag in it, see what it looks like. Looks good though. Anyways, that's the final product. quite happy with it, how it turned out. I have to double side tape that corner there and work on some of the edge stuff. But other than that, that is done. Anyways, thank you very much for joining me on another episode here of working on that RSX. If you guys liked it, subscribe. If you're looking for tools, I have the stuff I use listed down below as Amazon affiliate links. I do need to get more stuff in there. I'll work on updating everything as it comes along. If you purchase any tools there, it does help me. It supports the channel, supports the build. Share the video if you want to see us keep going. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll reply to many as I can. And I'll see you guys next week. See ya.
Of course I was going to show you the finished product. Who do you think I am?